What's up, guys? Cheese Nachos here. Today I'm making cheese nachos. I'm going to get the cheese. I'll be right back. So here's the cheese. I'm going to open it and put it right in. I'm holding my phone right now, and I'll just drop the phone and put it in later. Watch, look. You cannot do it. I'm just gonna pour some cheese in. I'll be right back in the microwave video. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 5 seconds. Whoa. Oops. Sorry. 1 minute. Oh, 105. Start. You have to wait. My chicken is hitching right now. We got that chicken in Popeyes. Ten seconds left. I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna show you the nachos looks like. I'll drop the phone. And see, that's how the cheese melts. I hope you like this video. If you leave a comment and say subscribe, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye. Delicious.